how wide here, it depends on your photos, and how long this part you should, as long as this paper, and this is just exactly so long as this side. So this I cut from the magazine, and today I will use the photo of my my sister's, because she is going to have her birthday. And how big is it? I will use this. Is just like this, and cut. Now I cut the photo. If you need all the photo exactly the same wide, you just put over on other photos and draw, and don't throw it away, because I will use the rest of the paper, and this is exactly the same lines, so it shoots to the paper, and it's nice to the photo. Is shoots each other. You can do like this. You see? How wide this says you decide yourself. And now you just glue on the each side, not too much, just be little bit, because the other paper will go under or between the two photos. And you know, the photos is not exactly on each other. You have a little bit left, so it's just put here almost. No, it's not exactly. They're not straight. You just can draw like this. Use your photo and cut it again. So get some glue, put it on the side, let's dry. How to, you just put it on the here, you see almost everyone is inside the small picture in the ring. And I used scissors because you get the lines, you can see when you cut it. You see the lines, so it's much easier to cut. If you want your background like this picture have other picture, you just don't cut too much, and I will show you. And you just like this, you have the lines, you just click backward, have double, so you can get the both side. But now I just choose one side and they cut it here. So all the people I want in the picture is inside here. I have 3. Now I will cut the last one. Now I cut all the 4 pictures, and then I don't want have some picture on the back side, and I want some steps. This is leave laugh, with laugh. I guess this side. I just put the stamps, and I don't want to get on my background. You just put it into. Yeah, one, and this one. Congratulations. Nice one. Because he is going to have a birthday, so we'll be choose this one. And I can try the last one or the best. If you don't, just write down it with your hand, it doesn't matter. So, hope looking nice. Now, just let it dry a little bit. And then now I need to cut the paper as long, as wide as this side, and exactly so long. When you open it, you need so long. Now I found out this bag I will cut because it's better you use a paper a little bit harder. It's not so soft. So you just put here. It's so wide. I want it. So make a mark here. I want right in the beginning. Here, I want it. So you just draw a line between here. And just cut it. Now you see this is almost the same, and it's okay. It's a little bit shorter because I will start from here, and the first one I will glue here. Get some glue, and then you know how you just put here, and then the right side you should here, so you know how long, and you can write down draw here, and you put your first photo here, and the next photo is like 1.5 centimeter, you know, here 1.5 centimeter. You get 4, you mark 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you need to fold it backward, make the lines. When you draw, it's much easier that the picture is turned around. Or maybe you will ask how I know this side is same long as the other side. If you put the markers here, you push it down here, you not will be as same wide as the other side. You need to see this side is just exactly above the next part. I will recommend you to glue the photo with the last lines. Now, as you see, I glue all the photos here, and I will put this and glue this side on here. So then let it dry a little bit, dry some several minutes. I choose some picture here. You can make here, or you like my bold one, get some this, or others you like, just put whatever. And today I will choose this one maybe. And this part you should cut to like now it's not glue fast here. I need to wait a moment, let it dry a little bit. I think it's not so pretty here, and maybe I can get some tape to tape here, so looking better.